Hi
guys, welcome back to our channel.
So we are back again after a good break of 2 weeks,
2
I
weeks.
think. I was in kind of middle of switching my job, so that kept me really busy.
And मैं month end में busy थी. So कांची job ढूंढ रही थी and I want to know like how was experience during COVID time.
Oh. Yeah, so it was little difficult comparatively, but very successful yet. The one thing that I did differently this time is कि मेरे LinkedIn connection में जो भी I was seeing that this person is changing a job or moving from one place to other, so I would reach out to that person and I would also reach out to that organization saying कि ये position empty है and is it possible that you can give me a chance to be interviewed for this position, because I think my capabilities and my resume matches with your with the job criteria. So that is something I did differently, and we are sharing more such tips in one of our videos with our recruiter friend.
We are going to link here and you can get more tips about job market in Canada in general. So हम लोग का लास्ट वीडियो था न्यूहैम कैंपस सैनिका कॉलेज का, एंड आज हम आए हैं लैम्पटन कॉलेज में जो कि है टोरंटो में शेपर्ड और डॉन मिल्स के आगे.
Right.
Yeah.
So that is a main intersection. Don Mills एक subway station भी है. So if you're coming from like Finch or York Mills, you can take that and come here. It's like 5 to 7 minutes walk.
Yeah.
Also there is a shopping mall here, Fairview Shopping Mall. So that is very close to our college, just like 10 minutes walk again.
Yeah, this is like in the main road. So काफ़ी बस स्टॉप नज़दीक है, शॉपिंग मॉल है, काफ़ी रेस्टोरेंट्स है. So ये नॉर्थ यॉर्क से भी नज़दीक है और स्कारब्रो से भी नज़दीक है. अगेन it takes 30 to 35 minutes from this area, which was same for Seneca College Newham campus.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I think 85 is a main bus which runs on the Shepherd, and other bus bus stop which is right outside our college is 24 number, which is for Victoria Park. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is Lambton College in Toronto. Main campus Sarnia में है, which is like pretty far from Toronto itself, and we have one more campus which is in Mississauga. So the main attractive point of people selecting Lambton College in Toronto, definitely that you get to live here and you get to experience this, but also because of the job opportunities that you have in Toronto campus itself.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
And second good thing, I think it's a facility provided by the college कि अगर आप Mississauga या Brampton में रहते हो and if you are coming here to study, we have a student bus. Of course they are going to charge you for it definitely, but I think it's a very good facility because you don't have to really go and catch Go Bus, because then you're paying for the Go Bus, you are also paying for TTC at the same time. ये कॉलेज आपको डायरेक्टली कॉलेज के बाहर से आपको मिसिसागा और ब्रैम्पटन में ड्रॉप करती है, सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड एडवांटेज.
And campus कैसा है, like in general, is there anything inside, recreation, something?
So main thing कि ये satellite branch है, so main focus college का ये था कि they should have enough classes and enough laboratories, just so that they can accommodate more and more students inside the college, because बहुत popular campus है ये भी. So recreational facilities comparing to Seneca, George Brown, Centennial definitely कम है because it's not the main campus. Sarnia वाला बहुत beautiful है, it's like pretty big and it's very popular as well. So we do have library, we do have gym काफ़ी छोटा है, cafeteria भी है, but again it's very small, but we get good food there, so I think that is what is more important, right? So those are little things that you are adjusting, but they have like good facilities, काफ़ी अच्छे classrooms है, very updated technology. They have enough number of laboratories, just enough to they can offer to their students.
Yeah. एंड लैम्पटन आई गेस पॉपुलर है क्योंकि वहाँ पे 2 साल का कोर्स है, एंड सैनिका और अदर कॉलेजेस दे हैव पॉपुलर लाइक 1 year का कोर्स, एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये टोरंटो में है, सो इट्स फेमस. सो हम लोग को क्वेश्चन पूछा था किसी ने कि इफ़ यू वांट टू चेंज द कैंपस, is it possible or not? So I would say it is possible provided आपका जो कोर्स है वो दूसरे कैंपस में अवेलेबल है. एंड वन मोर थिंग, यहाँ के क्लासरूम बहुत ही छोटे हैं, लाइक 35 to maximum like 50 to 60 people. So if you change like very quickly within first or 2 weeks, तो आपको चांसेस है कि आपको मिल जाएगा कैंपस चेंज का ऑप्शन, अदरवाइज इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू चेंज द कैंपस. बट येस, इट इज़ पॉसिबल एंड यू कैन डेफिनेटली आस्क योर
coordinator.
coordinator to change or make any adjustment if you want.
Yeah,
Right?
and as I think she mentioned in the previous video as well, like related to Seneca, that they have a student counselor. Same, we have a student counselor. You have super friendly staff, very good professors. They will help you in each and every step. They did help me quite a lot. One of the professors, they also gave me their reference to in order to get an internship. They also helped me to kind of overlook my resume, so very good facilities in that way. Yeah, so as she said that campus change karna aapko 15 to 20 days mein you have to speak to them and they will tell you how the entire procedure is.
And हम लोग like we prefer mostly if you choose a campus within Toronto or GTA area, that is more preferable because firstly आपको community मिलता है काफ़ी अच्छा यहाँ पे, transit is very good. And the thing is like part-time jobs, which is really important because यहाँ पे allowed है to work 20 hours per week, and which we think you should definitely work while studying so that you can get experience.
And it doesn't really matter where you're working because they still consider this as a Canadian experience, and there's no like any discrimination against any kind of work, so that's a very good thing. So
so like in case like we were asked that Markham में कैसा campus है, there is a Seneca college over there, so you speak to the current students about the part-time jobs and housing etc, because those are like very important points.
Yes, and also like if you're planning to enroll into this college itself, they also host online college tours, so make sure that you are in talking terms with your agent or talking terms to somebody from the college, so that अगर ऐसा कुछ webinar या कुछ हो रहा है तो you will get a notification and you can join inside the campus. Again, because of COVID and the campus is currently shut, we cannot like go and give you the tour, but I'll try to find some images and kind of insert it here.
So the important question is about the permanent residency PR after studying. अगर सैनिका में है तो 1 साल का है और लैम्पटन में है तो 2 साल का है. So we were asked that is it possible to get PR after studying just for one year? Yeah, so
it is possible, and we have seen, like I have seen one of my closest friends do that, and she got her PR before, like I still don't have a PR residency with me.
We are in process,
but she got it already. So it is possible, but the criteria is that you should be working in your respective field for at least 1 year or 1500 hours at least, or you should be doing a category B job, which is like assistant manager in one of the restaurants or something like McDonald's,
managerial
Subway,
level,
at managerial level or an assistant manager level. So that will qualify you to apply for your PR after your 1 year.
Again, so the thing is, firstly PR is easy if you have more IELTS का points. IELTS के points अगर आपके ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं तो there is a good chance that you can opt for 1 year. Second thing is that you have prior experience from India or anywhere outside Canada, so that is a plus point. You can opt for 1 year of the course here. Third thing we would like to say is keep your VES ready. जो VES है that is valid for 5 years. So अगर आप इंडिया से ही करके आते हो या outside Canada wherever you are living, वहाँ से ही करके आते हो, so that will be like very much handy and your process will be faster. So I guess VES है, IELTS है, transcript है, so if you have everything ready and आपके
you
पास
save a lot of time basically.
Exactly. So यहाँ पे generally क्या करते हैं लोग, 1 साल पढ़ाई करते हैं, after immediately if you have job, so you can work for 1 year and at the end of the year you can apply for PR. आप file रख सकते हो PR के लिए, and while you are in process, if your work permit expires, जो कि हो जाएगी after 1 year, so you can definitely extend your work permit for another year, जो कि almost 100% हो ही जाती है extend, right?
Yeah. It is known as bridging work permit. One more important thing कि आपको IELTS दोबारा देनी पड़ेगी because आप जो इंडिया से करके आते हो वो होती है
Study के लिए।
academy course होता है, और यहाँ पे आपको IELTS जनरल देनी पड़ती है which is for your PR process. And medical भी वापस से करवाना पड़ेगा आपको. Because
So-
again that is for immigration purpose.
Yeah, so while you're working, I think you should have everything ready, and it is like possible to have PR after 1 year. So that is good thing here,
Yeah.
and
And
that's it.
that is pretty much couple of things that we wanted to address. Again, campus ke changes related to all those sort of a question, it is very subjective, guys, so we won't have like a right away formula based answer for that. You have to coordinate with the campus coordinator, with your course coordinator, to find out more about it, right?
Yes.
But it is possible. I've seen people changing course. I've seen people like in my program itself changing campus as well. So just speak to them, and I'm pretty sure they will help you out with a suitable solution, right?
Yes.
So this is it from our end, and we will see you in our another video, which is going to be pretty soon. I don't know when, but sooner.
Yeah. And one more thing, guys, this we completed 10
Yeah.
videos on YouTube, and we are really excited. Thank you so much for your support, and please keep asking questions so that we can make more videos like this.
And please leave us encouraging comments, because that kind of motivates to help you guys. In case if you have any question, please DM us on Instagram. We are pretty active there. Leave us your comments, and we'll definitely answer that comment in our upcoming videos.
Yes.
Until then, take care and see you
Bye.
next time. Bye.